Hi guys, Chris over at Phillips Chevrolet here in Frankfort. So we're sitting inside a brand new, completely updated 25 Suburban, brand new for 2025. So all the new dash, all the new features, technology, a new refresh on the outside. But something that's really cool, and the higher trim levels on the other models had them too, but you can even get these in the lower trim levels now. But the sliding center console. So what's cool about it, you got a button up here. And you can basically just slide your kids their drinks back to them. Just like that. But it opens up more storage here. You've got a little tray right here. You can put some stuff in, whatever you might want to even hide, because most people aren't even going to know about this existing. So you can hide whatever you want to in here. This gives you room to set whatever you might want to set on a road trip or whatever. And then if you want to close it back up, just like that it goes. So awesome feature on these Suburbans. So come in here if you haven't test driven one of these. Come in here and drive one, and ask for Chris when you get here.